Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, December 14th. You can see temperatures very warm out there in the upper 50s to low 60s across the entire area. A couple of stations down right now. Middleton looks like they just need a computer reboot. Newaygo looks like they need a new station battery. Hopefully we can get those two items addressed here this morning. Certainly over an inch is likely of falling across the Newaygo area, but again, they stopped recording here as far as the outside sensors about 3 or 4 hours ago. And in Breckenridge, we've picked up 8/10 of an inch of rain, so a very wet morning. And I'm sure Newaygo's picked up, or Middleton's probably picked up quite a bit of rainfall as well. So we'll hopefully have those updated totals here by 9 or 10 o'clock. If we take a look at the low-level wind map, you can certainly see where the low-pressure system is across northeast Iowa, and all that Gulf moisture coming up, especially to the west of the state, and very warm conditions again right in through Michigan. And you can see on the weather map this morning, low pressure across northeast Iowa will be heading off to the northeast and eventually dragging a cold front. So while we'll have temperatures this morning in the 50s to around 60, we expect temperatures will fall back into the 40s by late in the day. But again, no real cold air behind this system. And we're going to be seeing this system here replaced by another one. And you can see on the National Weather Watch and Advisory map, lots of the flood advisories and warnings and statements across Wisconsin. And then lots of winter weather activity well off to our northwest with winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, advisories throughout the Rockies up into the northern plains. And this is the area I think has the best chance of seeing a white Christmas. Across the Great Lakes and Midwest, it's not looking real good right now, and we'll talk about that in just a second. You can take a look at the forecast map by tomorrow. That low will be well off to our northeast with a cold front coming through. Tomorrow looks like one of the better days of the week. It'll be fairly dry and still temperatures in the 40s, so not bad out there. And if we look at the next map, you can see by Wednesday morning a new low pressure system heading into Minnesota is going to bring some moderate to heavy snows across the areas of the Dakotas into northern Minnesota. And again, that'll head well off to our northwest. That'll pump temperatures up, I think, on Wednesday back up near 50. And then we cool down for the end of the week into the weekend. But right now, only back to near or slightly above normal temperatures. While there could be some snow showers around the area and even some slippery conditions on the snowbelt areas, we don't expect this snow to last. If we look at the forecast of precipitation over the next 7 days, obviously the heaviest rainfalls will be well off to our northwest. And the area we see across the mid-Michigan, southeast lower Michigan, most of that will be with this system today as we expect a couple of waves of rain to move through. One that's going to be moving into the area now, and then without ahead of the cold front, we can see some very gusty showers this afternoon, and we can see winds gusting up around 40 miles per hour. If we look at the longer range, if we go up here to the 6 to 10 day outlook, you can see temperatures are going to be above normal with near normal precipitation. That could be enough to give us some snow next week, but again, we'll talk about why it's not going to last. We see in the 8 to 14 day outlook that surrounds Christmas much warmer than normal conditions across much of the U.S., especially the eastern half, and above normal precipitation. So it looks like we're going to continue to see very nice green grass for December, which is very unusual. And the one model that gives us a chance for a white Christmas, or so you would think, is the Canadian model that drops a clipper system in here around next Tuesday or next Wednesday and could lay down about 2 to 4, maybe 2 to 5 inches of snow. And you think that'd be enough for a white Christmas? Well, maybe not. If we look at the temperature map for Christmas Eve on the same model, it has us rapidly warming into the 50s to low 60s for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day for a very, very warm Christmas. And if we did get snow, most likely it'll be gone by Christmas Day. Thanks for stopping by and enjoy the mild weather, and 73s to all.